begin from here. This is the road going straight from my house to the market, where all the marketing takes place on Tuesdays. Market is filled up. All these vendors come from outside of Goa and including within Goa, and so we have a special record place that should have been allotted to them, but it isn't. And the main roads are used for this market day to take place, which is highly dangerous, highly risky, and highly in a unstable condition. If you go to see from the point of reality, this is an illegal act by the Valpoi Municipality. The Municipality Council has allowed this illegal marketing to the vendors to put up their stalls all along the main roads from where not a single vehicle can move out or move in. This is actually, if there's a fire somewhere, a fire brigade will have no access on these roads. That means wherever the fire has caught, it will be gutted down to ashes. Next, if somebody falls sick or somebody who is in a serious condition has got a heart attack, and if an ambulance tries to enter these areas, it won't be just possible to. It won't just be possible for the ambulance to enter the area, and whoever is in a serious condition would certainly succumb to his sickness. Something tragedy might take place. The municipality of Valpoi could have allotted a ground or a place where there are vast open areas, where the roads are not blocked, and made them put up the Tuesday market there so that people could go in one place and get things what they want, like how we have in UK the car boot sales.
This is the other side of the public road. Same thing, same problem. This is another road that is fully surrounded by houses on both the sides, and the ambulance or the fire brigade has no access this side as well. They won't be able to pop in if should anything catch fire or should anything go wrong. We have a hospital which is also close by of a private doctor who will have no access to this road, no access to all these things. This is a public road which has been totally illegally occupied by all these people, and the municipality has done it so that they earn something illegally. This is totally illegal. I think the world should see this, what's going on here. How the roads are blocked, how the safety is put in danger of people, and so on.
We can see on these clips, both the sides of the road are being, a canopy has been erected, which is illegal, and this is totally illegal. The main roads are blocked. This is the lovely site of Valpoi.